Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen, special for Volkswagen Passat CC 2012 to 2017 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. And this is special camera adapter RGB camera adapter for Volkswagen special camera stock original backup camera adapter. This camera input, this compass box, and this connector adapter for backup camera. Okay. It comes with special harness and a compass box for VW Volkswagen. And this plug, it will plug and play. Okay. You can choose a time. There is SD card slot, and built-in microphone. This reset all these buttons. You can choose time. You can choose logo. You can check the setting. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose Volkswagen. Okay. You can change the color, theme color. With gray, any color you can adjust this panel. Gray color. I choose the red. Okay. All apps are here. It's built in DSP, Bluetooth, easy connection for mirror link, and this Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay. Let me check it's built in Play Store. You can download the applications from it. It's built in Google Maps. It connects Wi-Fi. It supports 4G and hotspot from your phone. Let me check the part motion. You can check the MCU variant, CPU optical memory size 4GB, PX5, Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. Okay. Let me check the setting. You also can change this button color on the car settings, personal setting, LED setting. You can choose the gray. Any color you can adjust this panel, blue. Okay. Okay, firstly, let me introduce Bluetooth. Device name Belsee, pin number 40. Let me open my phone. Okay, you can connect the Bluetooth. Click search button. Okay, searched. You can click pair button. Your phone will get command. Okay, you can check this pin number 40123440. Okay, connected. It show Bluetooth echo. Connected. You can make a phone call. Okay. Bluetooth is okay, and you can stream music from your phone. Okay, it's work Bluetooth, and let me show the music. Okay, the head unit will come with two USB cable. On back of head unit, this USB driver. Let me connect USB. It will play music automatically. Okay. It's DSP amplifier. DSP. Guys. Sorry for this DVR. Video disabled for your safety. So you need to set it in the settings. Suppose send some 4K video. Okay, thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Visit our website belsee.com, belse.com. Okay, thank you.